Doing great.
My hero.
You're my hero. You on the run? Point. There's hero. Stay right there. Stay right there. Come around this way. Give me a good lift. Give me a good lift. Give me a good lift. Good job, hero!
Oh, yes.
Yeah! All right, rail shot.
I got
Ready for a rail shot, hero? Come in front of me. Come in front of me right here. Stand right there. You ready?
Oh, yes. Nice, hero.
Good job, hero.
Beautiful, huh? This is your first bluefin, I think.
First bluefin?
Yeah.
Hey, that was worth it, right?
Want to sit down for a minute right here?
Go for it.
Hiro-san, what a great catch. You are not feeling so well, unfortunately. Kind of crazy, but yeah. Thank you to Brian setting this up. We're gonna try and drop one off to Dwight from Gyotaku. He does all the beautiful prints with these fish. You have to check it out soon. Stay with us. All right, Hiro, we're finally here.
Yes.
Brought that beautiful fish that you caught. And you guys know this man before. This is Dwight from, I don't want to say it wrong, Gyotaku.
Oh, perfect.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. And this guy's an amazing artist. We're here. And also with Brian. We have some fish, actually what we caught, the three of us caught. And we're going to pick something that Dwight's going to print.
I thought I saw you drive past. Like, there's a truck with a kill bag in there. That's got to be for me. Let's do the bigger one. Okay. We'll just have to get rid of this.
I'll take that out right now.
Mend that a little bit and it'll work. Cool. My name is Dwight Hwang. I go by Fishing for Gyotaku on Instagram. I'm about to print Hiro's fish.
Now, how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for about 11 years now. It was most of it as a hobby, and then I got serious about it about 3 years ago because I needed a career change. I was in storyboardings in movies and anime, games, stuff like that, which is why I was in Japan, and I just got burnt out. I needed a change,
Right.
and people kept suggesting that I do this instead or try it, and as soon as we did, it just sort of blew up. It was great. It was, yeah, I don't think I'll ever go back.
That's great. And show us some of your work later on after we're done. Let me
I
show
will.
everyone.
I will.
Beautiful things around the studio here.
So the idea is to get rid of as much of the slime and much of the moisture as possible, because the ink that we use, it's called sumi. It's Japanese calligraphy ink. Well, it's not just Japanese. All of East Asia uses the same ink. And it's made out of pine soot and water. Basically, you grind a piece of charcoal for about 30, 40 minutes with water, and that makes your ink. And considering how runny it is, if you have a lot of moisture on the fish or whatever you're printing, it can get really blotchy and blurry and ugly if it's not prepped right. And I'll show you examples as we go, because the tests and usually the first attempt is always trash.
Mm.
All right, so I'm just going to do a test. good. So usually I do this just to get acquainted. Especially with tuna, because they have so much girth to them, it's difficult to wrap a sheet of paper around it.
This is your stamp of approval?
Yeah.
Right here, right?
My name.
Nice.
And I need to. Let's see. Let's put it here. So these stamps my auntie gave me when I was 6 or 7 years old,
Okay.
thinking that I would either become a writer or an artist. I've kept
Okay.
them ever since. Now I'm using them.
Nice. Mm.
Get over here, Hiro. Yeah.
Wow, take a look at this beautiful piece of art. You are very, very talented.
Thank you.
And that doesn't even do words justice. Just looking around the studio, you have so many things.
Yeah.
And we're beyond honored to be here and for you to do this for Hiro.
I'm
Thank
glad
so
you guys
much.
are here. Thank you very much for coming over on such short notice.
No, not a problem at all. If you guys want to find Dwight, all this information is down below. He says that your like online catalog is not really up to date. Just whatever you need, just DM you, right? Through Instagram.
Yeah, DM or email me. Instagram is probably best.
Okay.
Or email. Yeah, just let me know what you guys
All right.
want and then we can make it.
You were listed on Forbes.
We
just now?
were on Forbes.
That's amazing.
That was a trip. Yeah, that was it's surreal.
And you're working with a lot of clothing company as well, so
Yeah.
and boating company. So
Yeah,
this guy just started just 3 years ago, right?
3 years ago.
And unbelievable the work you've done.
Yeah.
Congratulations on that.
Thank you very much.
And can't wait to receive it in the studio, Hiro.
Oh yes, and putting the frames.
Oh boy, this is going to be one piece of art. Can't wait to display in the studio. Thank you so much again.
Thank you.
See you soon.